today's video, you are going to see list of convenient cop drivers busted by police, instant karma cop, justice league. So let's get started. Idiot runs red light in front of 6 motorcycle cops. The front 2 cops went after the van, and the other 4 continued to turn left with the owners of this footage. The pickup truck illegally decided to move forward from the left side. The pickup truck had no plates. The chopper was probably just seeing what other laws this idiot was going to get a ticket for. Blue CV ACSR decided that despite knowing there was a street chopper 1 car ahead, the offender immediately jumped out of his vehicle after pulling over, and it looks as though the officer has his gun down on him. But he decides to change into the SUV lane where you are not supposed to, instantly regrets it. The black car decided to make a dangerous and illegal U-turn. As a result, the police caught him immediately. The white SUV decides to enter the right lane illegally. As a result, the police caught him immediately. Idiot for passing a cop while speeding. He wasn't exactly blowing the doors of anyone, but the owner this footage supports 75 ISAs in a 65 is still speeding. The pickup violates the posted speed limit. Dennis Midkiff had his cruise control set at 45 miles per hour in a 45 zone. This black car decided to illegally cross the double yellow line and speed limit and move ahead. Cop was parked in the shade, running radar, difficult to see. Aaron was returning from his work and witnessed this instant karma event. Always look both ways at red lights.
Oh shit!
van was tailgating everyone in front of him. Guess he just missed the fact that it was an undercover cop directly in front of him. BMW was speeding and there was a cop on the other side of the intersection, made a U-turn and pulled him over. Now that's what owners this footage call karma. Black Honda is speeding where the speed limit is 35. Police officer does a U-turn and pulls him. Driver didn't follow move over law and brakes the officer. Person driving without any lights on and taking on phone decides to cut Brian off. Karma cop behind Brian didn't like any of it. Went from their turn lane to footage on a turn lane. The reason for the pullover isn't always the reason for the pullover if you catch footage on a drift. Instant justice for two queue hoppers. Officer disappointed. Bonus third hopper just out of frame. Definitely gave some happy smiles for the rest owner this footage morning commute through. Dishan was driving down the streets of Texas in his brand new Model S Plaid. But this pickup truck started bothering him on the highway. Dishan was trying to avoid the other driver, but another driver was chasing after him. Dishan decides to move to another lane. Dishan enters the other lane and was hit by another car. Dishan showed police the entire incident of his dashcam footage. No one was injured in the accident, and Dishan takes all responsibility for the accident. Speed limit is 60 miles per hour. The man was going over 75 miles per hour.
Got him!
State trooper is notorious here on this road around this time. Drive by this street Monday through Friday to get to work, and there's always an officer. They are catching the impatient drivers. Idiot cuts off traffic to pass a bus.
Oh! I like that.
This guy, for whatever reason, thought it would be a good time to speed past a cop while showing footage owner who is boss.